Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is Lemlist and Outreach. So to get started with a quick overview, Lemlist is a popular cold email and outreach platform known for its AI deliverability, personalized image and video capabilities, and automation workflow. It caters to sales teams, marketers and agencies aiming for better reply rates through a creative personalization. On the other side, Manyreach is an AI-driven cold outreach tool that offer a scalable email and LinkedIn automation designed for teams looking to send high volume of personalized outreach efficiently. It's gaining traction for its modern AI and AI personalized features. Then talking about these two platforms are best for, so picking the Lemlist as an example, Lemlist is best for teams wanting to boost replies rate with advanced personalized features, for example, image, video, and dynamic text. I'm talking about the Manyreach on the other side. This platform is best for startup and sales teams needing a scalable multi-channel email plus LinkedIn outreach with an AI personalization. And here's the overall conclusion about these two platforms to help you decide which of these will be the option. So pick Lemlist if you prioritize creativity and personalization together with image and video, if you need a proven deliverability tools to maximize your replies. Then on the other side, you can simply go for Manyreach if you are focused on sales, scaling multiple channel outreach with AI personalization at a lower cost and need a simple platform to manage volume effectively. So that's it.